Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a little project going on with the car. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and we're gonna do some meth. Yeah, see, got some boost juice, and I got the AEM kit, and I picked this up from Auto Mafia. Caleb gave me a great deal, and basically this is the cheaper kit. It doesn't come with the tank, but I was gonna mount it on the front of the car, and I decided to AEM recommends that you put the pump in a nice like dry area. I'm like, well, there's nowhere in the front of the car it's gonna stay dry, so I decided to just look for a tank. I found one on eBay for like, I think 35-40 bucks. So I got the tank, I got the wiring harness. This has a little controller, so you can control when it comes in, and I guess full boost. I gotta figure out how it works totally. And what's full PSI, I guess, will be at, I guess that's where it starts and this is where it ends. That's what that means right here. Start and full boost. So we'll do that. We got the little, I guess this is a nozzle for this, which I don't really need. We got the little injector or nozzle, whatever. This is actual little sprayer. That's where it sprays right there. So yeah, we're gonna add some meth to the car. You guys know, some of you don't. We're in the Florida area, Central Florida, and we're coming into summer. And I didn't have this big of a problem when I had the Pro Charger, but with the turbos, I have the heat. When the turbos being so low, I'm getting heat from the bottom of the road, and just the heat the turbos make. So I'm having the AITs just shoot up when I'm in boost. I mean, it's not crazy, but you know, it just, if I hit one pull, I could go up between 10 and 15 degrees, and it just depends how long I stay out. The longer I stay out, the hotter it gets. So I wanted to do something right now, especially in the Florida summers, where it's going to control it. So that's the plan here, to try to control the temps, and just, I don't know, just want to, I mean, if it helps where I can stay like in boost weather all the time, I'll take it. You know, I'm not going to use this all the time. It's just something to make it. I'm not going to even tune for it. I'm going to send the log to Caleb, but I just want him to look at it once I get it all done. But it's not going to be tuned for it. It's not for octane or anything like that. The car's at 85, so I don't need it for octane. I just need it for cooling purposes, and this is a really good alternative to cool air. I've never done this before. I'm going to learn, you know, with you. I usually don't do how-to videos unless I know exactly what I'm doing. After many struggles of trying to figure out where to mount this tank, because over here, this is reinforced steel. I didn't want to really drill through that. So here's the tank placement. Finally, it's on. It wasn't, and honestly, I'm okay with that. I think it'll be just fine there. And with the washers and the steel, yeah, that's gonna be fine. So now we go to the pump. This will be a lot easier to do. And this has the rubber mounting points, so it shouldn't be crazy heavy. Like that. I know there's nothing there. And my power is going to be right here anyways. Well, the power is actually coming from the front. But, and, God, I have more pumps in this car. Another damn pump. Yeah. Over here there's EVAT. I don't want to fuck with the EVAT. I don't want to make a hole. That's still going to go nowhere. It's fine. Pump is done. So up next we need to run the line. This is just basically the tube line where the water meth goes to. So then after that, then we'll do the electrical, and then we'll start testing, I guess. So shouldn't be too difficult, but I've said that before. And then I come back to you later. It's 10 o'clock at night and it's dark. So hopefully it won't be too bad. All right, so I fished the line. Thankfully my car used to be bagged, so I already had holes already made, and so I fished the line through it, as you can see. I run it underneath, I guess, the rocker panel here, this plastic rocker, and just shoot it right through. These clips under here, these clips under here come out super easy. You literally just got to pull on it, and I just ran it straight through. Hey, comes out the wheel well, and I just brought it out right here right now. Need to figure out exactly where I'm gonna put the little injector. We've got the wiring started. If you see this bird's nest I got going on here, it's a lot of wires, and some of these I'm gonna have to extend. So yeah, I got 2 wires over there. I got 4 wires going this way, and then I got 2 wires going towards the front. It's a lot of wires. It's a little bit much. There's only 2 right now that I'm not gonna need, so I'm probably just gonna eliminate these. These go to some safety switches. If you want to add them, they're optional. I'm not adding those. Like I said, I'm gonna end up putting the controller right there. It's for safety. I'm just using this for safety and cooling. Since I'm not tuning it, I don't need to have the controller in front of my face all the time. I'm gonna have a little indicator light to know when it's working, but the controller, it'll be tucked away. I don't really need to worry about it. Wiring's done. Still doesn't look like it. I just gotta tuck everything in, but wiring's done. I'm gonna do our first test. Pump is connected, tank is connected. I've actually put a little bit of water in there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's some water in there. So we're gonna do a test on it, see how she flows. I got one more piece, which is, gotta put the injector on it. So, or the nozzle, whatever they call it. It looks like a little injector to me. But this is next. This is gonna require a tap and die. So I'm gonna take my time with this one, but let's see how she flows. Let's see how the electrical, if I didn't screw it up.
Yep.
See, it worked. I knew something. Jeez, y'all doubted me. Injector is on. Line is on. Wasn't too bad. It just takes a while. A lot of the wiring, you gotta find where it goes, but I still gotta finish up the trunk. But for the most part, the wiring's done. I already tucked it all the way. Came out pretty nice. The controller will be right there. I'm gonna put some double-sided tape and keep it in there and tuck it in. That's probably where I'm gonna put my boost controller too. And we're gonna go for a ride. Let the car warm up. But really wasn't too bad. I took my time with it. I took my break, but really wasn't too bad. I've been at it off and on since, I don't know, 11 o'clock or so, and it's probably about 6 p.m. So we're gonna go for a ride, see how the car acts. It might react kind of slow, might think the car's super rich. So I'm just gonna go for a quick spin. If the car acts funny, I'll go ahead and get the laptop and do a log and send it to Caleb. But yeah, I'm excited. I want to see how it does. I've never messed with this stuff before, but all I've heard is good things. I put the little light there. This is my indicator for my scavenge pump. It lets me know if it's on or not. So I put it right there too. Went down instead of up. Oops. Cut this in. That's crazy. shit works.
Car seems to like it too so far.
Yeah, it's like boost weather all the time. Yeah.
Controllable boost weather.
Look at the tent. Alright, that's the one in the middle. If I can do this and drive. You see how it went down? It went down! I like it. Meth is good. Say no to drugs, meth is good. Car definitely feels spunkier. And feels good. The car just feels good. So I'm still gonna send a log to Caleb and see if he sees anything he doesn't like or anything. But overall, the car feels real good. I can definitely felt the car got hot, like not hot, like turbos got hot. I had got on it too many times in a row. Turbos like they get hot. The more you get on them, the hotter they get. So yeah, I probably did about 5 or 6 pulls in a row. Boom, boom, boom. But it was a fun day, even though it's kind of a pain in the ass, a long day, but I enjoyed this. I've never done this before, and water meth works. Definitely works. I played around a little more with the adjustments to turn it, to keep it at full boost, a little higher. And but overall, I'm really, really happy with it. And I'll learn a little more of it today. But hope you guys like this video. Hope it helps you guys. If it doesn't, sorry, I'm not good at how-to videos. I just wanted to share the experience of me installing this and the experience of me first time around with it. So if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, and if you like our channel, subscribe. We got a lot of fun things we do. We got a lot of cars. Mustang, Camaro, we got a Fiat, we got a VW over there, we got 2 other Mustangs. So hope you guys have a great day. You guys stay safe out there. Have a good one.
Trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste.